Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we will be discussing about the charts. Tableau is a very powerful tool for creating different types of charts. So Tableau uses a visualization query language for creating different types of charts, and it is automatically done. In this video, we will be working on the sheet orders. Now, so what are the different types of charts which are present? So on the right hand side, if you see, there is a show me button here, which is hidden. If I click on this show me button, these are 24 different types of charts which are created here. For example, if I keep my cursor on histogram, it shows that it needs one field from the measures. So if I click on sales, so this option will automatically be shown up. If I double click on this, the histogram will be made. There are many other options which can be made by clicking on one field of measures. For example, packed bubbles, tree maps, or box and whisker plots. To clear a worksheet, click on this icon. Now, if we want to create a map, we need one field from geo in the dimensions, or 0 or 1 from the measures. So if we click on country or region and double click on this icon, the map will be made. There is a shortcut to do this, and which is to double click on the pill and the map will be made. If we select one measure, let's say sales, and drag and drop to colors, we can make pie charts too. Likewise, we can make all the graphs presented here. This is all for this video. In the next session, we will be learning about how to make bar graphs. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, keep tabs on the tablet. Thank you.